Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's recap for this morning's Treasury Note Trade Recommendation. Every day we make specific trade recommendations for the E-mini, T-Note, T-Bond, Gold, Crude, and the Euro currency, and we recap the E-mini and Treasury Notes, and sometimes some of the other markets too. But the E-mini and Treasury Note are our major markets, and we spend the most time with them. This morning we came in with the idea of being long. We wanted to be a buyer for two reasons. One, I thought the E-mini would sell or pause. News was minimal, did not have market-changing news. And then it's the 7-year auction after the news was out of the way, and this, the 5-year auction with the 7-year to come tomorrow. And the 5-year auction at some point in the day was going to support the market. So we were hoping the market would actually sell this morning, retest the 16 to 20 area where we could get long. We subsequently moved the buy up to 21.25 after the first rotation, and the best you could have bought it was 26. So the longs came in the 26, 27 area. We did start out the day with a recommended sell from 27 to 31, and you can see right here through A period it produced a couple of trades. So the idea was to find a place to buy it. We wanted 25, 21. Would have to get long in the 26, 27 area, and it was okay to sell failure to take out 27 to 31. How did we put this trade on? We get our ideas from this screen that you're looking at right now. We get our support and resistance level from that screen, but we execute on our F3 or F4 screens in the software. And this screen is very, very compelling for traders because it shows you the relative volume done in each bar. So this was the first trade right here where we could have a sell. The market did trade up to 29.5. You could have been short at 27 to as high as 28.5, and the market did trade down to 26. We normally expect to make 2 to 3 30 seconds on our trades. In this case, you would have made 1 to 2 30 seconds depending on where you executed. We wanted to be buyers for the day. We got a retest of the low at 26. It held. So you could have been long from 26.5 to as high as 27.5, and the market traded up to 31.5. So you got 27.5, 31.5. That's upwards of 3.5. So you got your 2 to 3 30 seconds. We did have a short that did develop here. It was in our sell band on this particular trade. It went nowhere, so you had a scratch to a loss. Another retest failure here that would have put you long in the 31 area. And the market did trade up to 03 for another winner of 2 to 3 30 seconds. So we had a possibility of 5 30 seconds on the low side to as high as 7 30 seconds on the outside. Say we took our worst loss, and that's always 2 30 seconds. We ended up netting 3 to 5 30 seconds today, which was a pretty nice trade given the lack of volatility. The note pretty well traded as we expected. We wanted to be long. We wanted to trade from the long side. We could see sell failure to take out resistance, and that's exactly what happened. If you have any questions about this video and you'd like to know more about what we do and how we do it, please contact CNFT Futures and we'll get somebody assigned to talk to you. Looking forward to seeing some of you in the room in the not-so-distant future.